Today, I have come with a very important topic, that is, what are the subjects in science stream in class 11? Choosing a stream of subjects for class 11 and 12 is the first of many big career decisions you will be making in your life. After having studied a variety of subjects for your entire school career, the time has come to select a specific stream that suits your interests, capabilities, and career goals. Even if you haven't identified any particular career goal so far, don't worry, there is still plenty of time for that. Selecting a stream is comparatively easier than selecting a career, but making a careful choice is still important as your stream can influence your career. There are three main streams available after class 10th, namely science, commerce, and humanities or arts. And each stream has a distinct methodology, choices of subjects, and career options. While science is based on the theory and applications of scientific concepts, commerce is focused on trade and business, and humanities is based on liberal arts. Science stream subjects after class 10th. The science stream is further divided into two branches, namely medical, in short PCB, and non-medical, in short PCM, science stream. The difference between the two lies in the choice of the third subject. While physics and chemistry are compulsory for both, the medical stream offers biology as the third compulsory subject, and the non-medical stream offers mathematics. English is common to all streams, and students can take any optional subject to meet a total of 5 subjects. Here is a detailed look into compulsory subjects in the science stream. First of all, I would like to give explanation about subject physics. Physics is among the oldest academic fields in the world and is the science of matter, motion, energy, and force. It focuses on understanding how the universe behaves. Advances in the field of physics enable advancements in technologies such as the study of electromagnetism, thermodynamics, mechanics, nuclear physics, and solid state physics. Studying physics at class 11-12 level will help you develop observational, analytical, investigatory, and decision making skills along with conceptual understanding, creative thinking, and problem solving skills. Examples of few topics you will study are kinematics, law of motion, thermodynamics, electrostatics, electromagnetic waves, electronic devices. After studying physics, there are a variety of career options available, including working as a physicist, astronaut, data scientist, technician, and engineer. Next subject I would like to explain, that is about chemistry. Everything in the universe is made out of atoms and matter, and the study of chemistry is based on the study of composition, properties, and structure of matter, including atomic structure and the changes influenced by chemical reactions. New area in chemistry such as synthetic materials, natural resources, biomolecules, and industrial chemistry are also included in the course at the class 11-12 level, ensuring that you get a thorough understanding of chemistry fundamentals and contemporary developments. Practical lab experiments further serve to support your theoretical studies. Examples of topics you will study in chemistry are chemical bonding and molecular structure, chemical thermodynamics, organic chemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry. Career options after studying chemistry include working in research, pharmaceuticals, healthcare as lab scientist, chemical engineers, biochemists, flavor chemists, analytical chemists, etc. Next subject I would like to explain, that is about biology. The term biology is derived from the Greek language with bios meaning life and logos meaning study, literally translating into the study of life forms. And that's exactly what biology is. Biology studies living organisms, plants, and animals, including facets such as their physical structures, physiological mechanism, chemical process, molecular interactions, and development and evolution. The subject of biology at the class 11 12 level focuses on providing a firm conceptual basis while also connecting the study of the subject with real life technology, environment, agriculture, health, and industry. Examples of topics you will study are structural organization in plants and animals, cell structure and functions, plant physiology, human physiology, genetics and evolution, biotechnology and its applications. Career opportunities after studying biology are immense, including the most popular path of medicine, whether MBBS or Ayurveda or homeopathy. Apart from medicine, you can pursue a variety of career paths such as biotechnology, dentistry, veterinary, science pharmaceuticals, botany, zoology, marine biology, genetics, bioinformatics, microbiology, and more. Next subject I would like to give explanation, that is about mathematics. Mathematics is a science of numbers and it offers the most hated subject for students and sometimes the most loved with use in money transactions and application even in architecture, art, engineering and sports. As a subject, math focuses on the concept of quantity, change, structure and space. At a class 11 12 well, you would learn about the principles of underlying process and skills, identify the flow of reason while solving a problem or proving a result, and learn how to apply accurate skills to solve problems by more than one method. If you pursue the medical PCB stream, you can also take on mathematics as an optional subject. Examples of topics you will study in maths are algebra, calculus, mathematical reasoning, linear programming, probability, vectors and three-dimensional geometry. Studying mathematics in class 11 12 opens up a variety of career options, including those in the field of commerce. If you decide to change your mind about a career in the sciences, career options include engineering, computer science, insurance, statistics, economics, banking, accountancy, etc. Next subject I would like to inform you, that is about English. As one of the official language of India and as the language used most commonly worldwide, English is an unavoidable subject studied at class 11 12 level regardless of the stream. English is a common language medium used in offices, colleges and online, which is why a certain level of proficiency is always helpful. At the class 11 12 level, the subject focuses on enhancing reading, writing, grammar, and listening or speaking skills in English, preparing students for further studies as well as directly for the workplace. Career options available after studying English include mass communication, journalism, teaching, public relations, and blogging. The study of English will also help you in your general communication and comprehension skill, which will be helpful in nearly every career where the language of communication is English.